I realize the screaming pain, hearing loud in my brain, but I'm going straight ahead with this scar. You don't remember all the feelings that we used to share, for I've sealed away my heart into the darkness. Yes, she's fine if you end up hurting me, 'cause I don't feel pain anymore. I just drag my feet behind me towards what's held in store. I had been led astray with no hope to be found. My heart withered away and I fell to the ground, and I heard a voice within the blowing of the wind. Please let me show you the pain my scars have made me obtain, before the weight of the world comes crashing down on my shoulders. Do you remember the time our tears fell down from the sky? Someday soon when I'm gone, never think that I'll regret you, for the pain that I've sealed away. I'll protect you.